guko bururi-ini ni Rigathi wa Gachagua ni agithingatite mwena wa mung'ethaniro gukorwo makiaga guteanga ihinda ria gutetia budget kana kigina kia budget na ile irakorirwo igithomwo muthi wa ira munini wa president aritie maya hindi ya kuhinga kikomano gia thikũ ithatũ ya kwarĩrĩria ũkũria wa matũra na ripoti ĩno ikiharĩrĩirio ni mwandĩki Tutikagĩra wa Gĩteru.
The National Land Commission
kigomano gĩa gũcirĩra ũkũria wa taũni cia Kenya kiria kiranjire muthenya wa iyo mwena wa Naivasha na kiria kirehete honge ngũrani cia thirikari ari hamwe na ministry ya migunda Waki na ũkũria kanjũ ya magavana ũndũ ũmwe na bengi ya kĩmabũrũri World Bank nikĩhingirwo muthenya wa mũthĩ munini wa president.
Your Excellency
Gavana wa kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika na minister wa migunda na ũkũria Zakaria Njeru maugire ni maiguithanirie kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ mitaratara na tabarĩra iria mekũhũthĩra gũkũria mataũni-inĩ bũrũri-inĩ.
Your Excellency, allow me to mention a few of the key topical issues that urban stakeholders have been able to agree on during this forum. One, the need to harmonize planning legislations, including the Physical and Land Use Planning Act, the Urban Areas and Cities Act, and the County Government Act. Harmonize all those acts. The conference addressed critical issues facing the process of urbanization, including urban governance, urban management, urban resilience, urban finance, urban housing, urban infrastructure, and climate change, among others, which are the key to sustainable urbanization.
Cities and urban areas is growing at a very, very high rate. So it's all of us, we come together, try to discuss and plan how tomorrow will be. If we don't plan today, then the future will not be good.
Munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua augire thirikari nene nĩ kũnyitanĩra na thirikari cia kaunti gũkũria matũra kũgerera waki wa nyũmba cia Raithi.
The entire world is saying the future is urban. Let's do slum upgrading. Let's have affordable housing to dignify the people of Kenya, to give them access to clean water, to sanitation, and all the other things that dignify a human being.
Oho Rigathi nĩ okĩire mũng'ethanĩro na kũmoria matige gũkĩrĩra tabarĩra cia thirikari cia kwagĩrithia bũrũri ũyũ.
And a fellow they elected for 20 years, believing in him. He is shouting at the rooftop that this program should not happen. Just how unfair can you be? Why would anybody in his right thinking have a problem with having affordable housing for Kenyans so that they can live with dignity? We don't understand.
Gĩribotera Mũthigi TV iria Kwanĩkagĩra wa Gĩteru.
Led by
Aya, thengio mũno mwandĩki Tutikagĩra wa Gĩteru.